Turning involves the use of a lathe to produce a given shape, which is usually cylindrical. The workpiece is held in the chuck and rotated while being machined to shape and size using a cutting tool. As you can see happening here, facing off involves removing material from the end of a workpiece to leave a flat, smooth or square surface. Drilling is a simple process by which you remove material from the inside of a workpiece using a drill bit. When working with metals, the drill bit is usually coated in a high-performance material such as titanium. Parallel turning is a simple machining operation when you remove material from the outer diameter of the workpiece while maintaining the same size along its length. Taper turning is another simple machining process. This is a process used to create a conical shape by feeding a tool at an angle to the length of the workpiece. The final machining operation is called parting off. This is a process used to cut off the workpiece to the required length.